Today we've got a 2003 Island Packet 380. This 380 is a modern interpretation of a traditional full keel with everything you need to set sail today. Let's take a look. She has the classic Island Packet look, handsome and dressed up with just the right amount of teak. The full foil keel provides a moderate draft, strong one-piece construction, and is safe and comfortable while underway. This yacht is well equipped, including solar panels, a wind generator, and even a Watermaker. Everything about the design makes moving forward safe and easy. From the full-length stainless steel handrails on top of the cabin, to the raised bulwarks, and to the double lifelines with welded rails fore and aft, you'll be able to move about with confidence. Moving into the cockpit, you'll find that it's thoughtfully laid out. It has full-length contoured seats that can accommodate several people or let you stretch out. The seat lockers are easy to access, and the cockpit shower can easily reach the sugar scoop transom, which has a deep swim ladder. The custom arch holds the solar panels and wind generator with the Dinghy Davits system integrated. The rack and pinion steering is reliable and sensitive. It has electric primary winches, Raymarine electronics including chart plotter and radar, as well as a convenient bow thruster. Once below, you'll be struck by the openness of the interior. It is practical for cruising, yet it doesn't sacrifice live-aboard comfort. There is an impressive amount of storage throughout the boat, and the portside settee can be converted to a double berth. All the original lights were upgraded with LED, making them brighter and more efficient. The Salon Table is mounted to the bulkhead and can be folded down, revealing a wine rack. With a large desk and chart drawer and easy access to the electronics, the Nav Station is a versatile command center. Just starboard of the companionway, the galley can be easily accessed from the cockpit and the main salon. It features a wraparound counter providing an ample workspace as well as numerous drawers and cabinets. There is a Seagull freshwater filtration system installed at the galley sink, and it also features a 3-burner LPG stove and oven and refrigeration system. The aft cabin is comfortable with plenty of storage, but the most unique feature back here is the sink that's mounted in a pull-out drawer with hinged cover. This will allow guests to freshen up without having to go all the way to the head. The forward owner's cabin features a centerline berth with access from both sides, and it has storage below and hanging lockers and drawers throughout. The head can be accessed from both the forward stateroom as well as the main salon. In true Island Packet fashion, it is roomy and supremely usable. The shower stall enclosure sits against the wall, providing a full-length mirror, but it can fold out to separate the shower from the vanity area. She is powered by a 56 horsepower Yanmar diesel. This Island Packet 380 is the perfect blend of practical cruising features and live-aboard comfort. She is turnkey and ready to take you on your next adventure. You can find the full specs and asking price at the link in the description below. For our other listings, visit our website.